Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you a little hack on how to properly crop your photos for Instagram. So here is the photo we're working with here. The first thing we want to do is head over to this tool here, hit the drop down box, and select 4x5/8x10. And a little short key, if you hit X on your keyboard, it crops it vertically for Instagram. So just go and hit enter. Now you can just send this to your phone, drop a few hashtags on it, and call it a day. But what I want to do, because I noticed when I cropped it, I lost the rock here on the left, and I want to bring that back because I feel like that'll make the image look a little nicer. So what I'm going to do, head over to the transform section, go to scale, and I'll bring this down until the rock is completely in the photo. Perfect. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is right click, edit in Photoshop. Alright, so once your photo is in Photoshop, the first thing you want to do is head over to the magic wand tool, select the graded area, head over to edit, fill, make sure your contents is set to content aware, color adaptation check marked, blending mode normal, opacity 100%, hit OK. Now what this is going to do, it's going to predict what the rest of the image would look like. So it's going to add more clouds and more sky to the photo, as you can see here. Not too bad, looks good. So we're going to do the same thing over here. Once again, select it, edit, fill, hit OK. Now what this is going to do is add some water and then more rocks from over here. So as you can see, sometimes it doesn't work all the time. We'll zoom in and head over here. Get this little weird looking area right there. So what we're gonna do, this is an easy fix. Let's go over to spot healing brush tool and paint that section that you want to fix. A lot of times it does do a good job. Sometimes you're gonna have to keep clicking around until it works with your image till you're happy. So we're gonna start selecting random areas. I think that looks good. Alright, so then you're also going to notice when you zoom in, the image does leave these white lines. And this section right here is the original image, and this section up here is what was added. So what I'll do, I'll hit Command J, which is on a Mac, create another layer, and that hides it. But sometimes it doesn't hide it all the time. So once again, we're going to head over to the spot healing brush tool and paint away these lines. So you just go over the top of the image, select, and then make sure it is set to the type is content aware. So it looks good up there. And we'll check down here to see what it looks like. I don't see any white lines down here, so we're good. Now if you want, you can always go back in and edit the sky a little more or add some more detail into the water. I just did this real quick just for the sake of the video. Alright guys, and that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you can please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. Until next time, bye.